Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve your first Rubik's Cube. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Let's go. By the end of this video, you can look like this. Alright, so let's get started. So first, you'll have your scrambled cube, and we'll start by making a cross. So it's going to look like this. And it's going to be yellow. So what first we want to do is we want to find all of the pieces in between these two. There's a piece inside, and we want to get the ones with the white on it. We want to get it to the bottom. So to do this, we will, this one is already paired, and we want it to be connected with the center. So to do this, you will find either a flipped edge, like this, where if you put it in to the bottom, it does not work out, or you will have one like this, where you can put it down and it fits, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to find a piece. For me, I have a flipped edge, and what you can do here is you can bring it to the right, you can bring it down and to the bottom, and bring it back up. And this put the cross piece right here. Then what you can do is, for a piece in between here, you can bring the piece up to the right so it's connected with this. Bring this piece down so that it's back. Then bring this one down 90 degrees so it's connected here, and you have these two pieces. Now we have this one piece, so what we do is we connect it with its center so it's orange, and we bring it all the way down, as you can see, and that's the cross. Feel free to rewind if you need to look back at this. Alright, next we're going to solve the whole white side. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a corner piece, which is either one of these four pieces that's on the corner of the cube, and it has three colors on it. We want to find one that has white on it. So there are three cases you can get. The first case is where you have white on top. And in order to do this, you're going to move the piece to in between the green and orange. And you know how to do this because green is on the right side. So green goes to the green center, orange goes to the orange side center, and white goes to the bottom, which is where we want it to go. So now we will do this algorithm 3 times until it reaches the bottom, and this is for when the white is on top. It goes up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And once you've done that, you have the piece inserted correctly, and we've got one side of the piece. Now for a piece with white on facing the left side. So what you want to do is now you're going to put it in here to the left, green on top, and white on the bottom. You're going to do those same moves until you get it to the bottom face. So, the white facing the bottom. So what we're going to do is up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. And as you can see, we have inserted this successfully into the bottom pair. Now we have a case where the white is pointing this way. So what you want to do is you want to get orange, you want to bring it to the orange center, blue side center, and white on the bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to do those 4 moves again. So it's going to go up, down, left, right. And as you can see, we've inserted it. Now do that for the rest of the pairs, corners. And once you finish that, you will have the whole white side done. Congrats. Alright, now onto the second layer. So in order to complete this, we are going to find an edge in between one of these 4 that do not have yellow on them. So this one doesn't, this one does, this one doesn't, and this one does. So you're going to find one that doesn't, and you're going to look at the color. The color is green. So you're going to move the green to match with the green side. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, since it's green and orange, you want to move it away. I know this sounds weird, right? You're going to move it not to the left, the right, but to the left, away from the green and the orange. After that, you're going to bring up, it's going to go up, left, right, and down. And then you have this pair, and you're going to turn to the right and go right, up, left, down. As you can see, we have the pair there. Alright, now on the second one. So we have this one, and we're going to turn it to the blue center is facing the blue, orange is this way. So because orange is to the left, we turn it to the right, and we bring out the blue and orange piece, and we bring it up, right, down. You have this, you go right, up, down. Alright, we have this piece, we align it to the red, we have green here, red here, and we're going to move it away from the green. So we go left, and then we're going to do those same moves. If it goes left, you do up, left, down. And you have this piece, you move it to the left, and up, left, down. And now you have your piece. Last one, we have right here. So blue and red. Red goes here. So we want to move it to away from it to the opposite color. So we go left, bring this one up, turn it to the right, and down. And you have this piece. And you're going to bring it to the right, up, left, down. And that is your 2 sides. Congratulations. Now, on to the third step. Now is when the algorithms come in. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for 4 cases. Either a line shape, or a dot in the middle. If you have a L shape, put it to the top left. Then you're going to do these 4 moves. You're going to bring the down. You're going to do up, left, down, right. And bring it back up. If you have an L shape, you're going to go left, up, left, down, right. If you have a dot shape, you're going to do L, up, left, down, right. And that leaves you with an L shape, which lets you do, put it up to here and do, and then a line shape. And then the goal is to get a yellow cross. Once you have a yellow cross, next you're going to align these 4 edges on the inside. And by doing this, you're going to align the edges with their circle. So this one's aligned, this one's aligned, this one's aligned, and this one's aligned. If they're all aligned, then you're good to go and you can skip this step. But if they're not all aligned, like these two, then what you do is you take the 2 that are aligned and you put the one in the back and one on the right. And you do these 4 moves. Up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Once you do that, you can turn the face to align with each and every side. And then you have aligned all the corners. Now, we're going to make all the corners in their right spot. So in order to do this, you're going to want to look at the corners and see which ones are in their right spot. And this means this one is yellow, which is correct, blue, which is correct, and orange. But this is not correct because this is red. So this one is incorrect. This one is green, there's no green, red, there's no red, and yellow, there's yellow. So this one is also incorrect. This one is orange, correct, blue, green, correct, and yellow, correct. So this one is correct. This one is not correct. So what you're going to do is you want to put the correct one to the left front, and you're going to do these moves. Up, left, up, left, up, left, up. And after that, then you can align the centers so they're aligned. And you can check, okay, is this one good? This one has red and there's no red, so this one's done. This one is done. This is orange, green, and white. This one's good. This one's incorrect because there's no blue. And this one's also incorrect. So we'll repeat the process until we get all of the corners right. And as you can see, orange, blue, green, yellow. This one is red, red, green, green, yellow, yellow. This one's correct. This one is yellow, yellow, red, red, and blue, blue. This one is also correct. This one is orange, orange, blue, blue, and yellow, yellow. This one is also correct. So once they are all correct, you can finally do the last step of solving the Rubik's Cube, which is face any front that needs to be twisted and corrected, and flip the cube upside down. Now follow my instructions very carefully, because if you do this wrong, you could mess up the whole cube. So, once you get the cube on the bottom, you're going to do the 4 moves that I taught you in the beginning until the yellow side faces down. So I'll show you an example. This is the yellow, red, and green. And what we want to do is do the 4 moves until the yellow side faces the bottom. So we're going to do up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And then this is done on the bottom. And now what you're going to do is you're going to turn the bottom face to the right, to the next one. Do not turn the cube, like rotate it, just turn the bottom face. Because if you do, then it will make it unsolvable again. So you're going to do the same moves, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And then this is the last one. You can go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And then you can flip this layer, and boom, you solved the Rubik's Cube. Good job. Now, you can tell your friends that you've learned how to solve it, and I have an example solve coming up. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe. It helps a lot. And I'm AndersCubes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.